Hi there. After a quick climb up the hill, the Latrun Monastery is behind me and the scenery is beautiful. So, we said for the package we need a business model, we need the crop to focus on, to start, and then we need technology and know-how. Now, usually technology is the number one. This is how most companies are looking at it. Look at the projects around the world, especially in Africa and Asia, and you will see it's about technology. A company says, I have a disruptive technology. Now let's use it. In my eyes, in my view, technology is only a tool. Once you know what you want to achieve and you have the business model. So technology for mangoes, well, mangoes has a lot of problems, many pests. In Africa and Asia also it is a question of irrigation, fertigation and all this. It is endless. But there is one thing that is critical, one thing, and that is fruit flies. Unless you get over the barrier of fruit flies, which not only take between 40 to 80% of the yield, but also unable to export. And export for a good business is what we are looking, not to sell in the next village. So this is the number one barrier. So there was no solution, and therefore I had to take care of that problem, and I did with the technology that we call Freedom with E at the end. And we developed it, and it is working great against the fruit flies in Africa, and we have another one in Asia and so on. So it takes the infestation from 50-80% to less than 1%, which means export quality. Anything over this is technology, and there is endless of what you can get in terms of technology and know-how. This is secondary still. The first is to get over the barrier of fruit flies, and technology to increase the yield, to increase the quality, and of course know-how are two things that will come later in the package, after we make sure it is possible to grow and export free of fruit flies. Bye bye.